My name is Olivia. I work as a Total Waste Management Contracts Manager with Indaver. Well, my role is quite varied really. It can range from anything from implementing a new Total Waste Management contract to managing and supervising the operations on an existing TWM site. I work very closely with the waste operation leaders and the waste operatives who are based on a TWM site, and together we work to make sure all our activities are risk assessed, make sure all our activities are documented in a procedure, and see if we can streamline some of our activities or come up with better ways of segregating, labelling, packaging and sending waste for off-site disposal. So most weeks I'm on a customer site. It all depends on the schedule, it all depends on the priorities. If I'm going onto a customer site, it's usually for analysing waste streams for a project, for a campaign. Sometimes we do waste awareness campaigns on the customer site, which looks at all the waste streams that they generate and see if there's any areas for improvement or optimisations or cost savings for the customer. My usual day is anything really. I could be on the customer site from early in the morning to attend an operations meeting. I could be on the customer site to implement a waste reduction programme or a waste awareness campaign. If I'm not on the customer site, I would be in the office checking my emails, returning customer calls and queries, and following up on some actions from our on-site meetings. We'd also maybe work on proposals for waste reduction projects or cost analysis for the customer. Because I work in the TWM department, we rely a lot on our internal departments to help us out. Everything from logistics for moving waste loads off-site, technical for classifying our waste streams on the customer site, to KESH, which is Quality, Environmental, Safety and Health, for helping us put in our procedures as control documents into our KESH system. So we have to work very closely with our internal departments to give a good service to the customer. I'm very fortunate to work for Indaver as we have a very good profile and reputation within the waste industry. We're constantly trying to improve and grow and find alternative methods of treating waste. We've actually won quite a number of contracts on the basis of providing a good service over the past number of years, and also from recommendations from other customers within the industry as well. Because we work so closely with our customers, we work with them as opposed to for them. We build up a relationship based on mutual trust. For the last few months I've been working in a new role as Senior TWM Contracts Manager, so I'm looking forward to seeing what I can bring to that role in the future. The biggest part of my role is the management of a large team over a number of total waste management sites. I'm heavily involved in the recruiting of the waste operation leaders and the waste operatives for a TWM site. And from there I help mentor them and coach them and develop them in their role and give them feedback on their performance on the site. People are our greatest asset, so it's very important for us to recruit the right person for the right job on the site. From there we try to develop their competencies so that they can develop their career within Indaver, and they can go from either waste operations leaders to a contracts manager, from a waste operative to a waste operations leader role in the future.